If I'm a freshly minted veteran coming into that sort of ecosystem, you describe some of the things that you're doing today, some of the priorities that you have. We fast forward 2 to 3 years, perhaps several of those are done. Sort of what's that experience going to look like? And then what are you going to have on the horizon beyond that?
Yeah, we're trying to drive toward a more total experience, more omni-channel experience. We're not taking advantage of all the channels that are available to our customers, and not only to hear from them, but also to conduct service recovery and specifically around social media and improving the way that we use our chatbot and improving the way that you use our virtual agent capabilities. I think with all the lessons being learned with AI, with large language models now, in 2 to 3 years, that will help us make tremendous strides, not only in servicing the customer, but managing the risk, especially with customers who are much more frustrated than others or in a moment of crisis, and how might we be able to wrap our arms around them more proactively. So there's a lot of really interesting things that I think can happen in the next few years. We also need to be while we're thinking about customer experience, and we've come so far in customer experience in the federal government, but we still have a long way to go, as I mentioned. We also have to think about the employee experience, and one truly cannot exist without the other. You can't have a world-class customer experience without a world-class employee experience. So we've managed to come from like the 17th best place to work in the federal government to like number 5. I don't think anyone's ever going to beat NASA, but we're still really trying our hardest to get up there and break into the top 3, but we're measuring that now. We're taking all those tools and experiences on the CX side and then using them to improve the EX side. And I think that's just driving toward that total experience, as I mentioned.
Happy employees equate to happy customers. So I appreciate you focusing your attention on that. Department of Veterans Affairs has how many employees, roughly?
Right now, we have over 420,000, but I think we're hiring like DHS is. So to check us out at va.gov and our page, and we have enough positions for around 500,000. So we're the second largest in the federal government. Come and work with us.